Welcome to MCQ CBSE. In this video, we will cover Class 6 Social Science, Chapter 10, Grassroots Democracy Governance. This is part 2 of MCQ series from question number 26 to 50. So stay tuned for more. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Let's start. What is the role of local government? And correct answer is B, managing local issue like road and sanitation. Which organ of government punishes cyber criminal? And correct answer is C, judiciary. In India, who was the right to vote in election? And correct answer is A, all citizens above 18. Who is the head of the national government in India? And correct answer is B, Prime Minister. How can citizens participate in a democracy? And correct answer is A, by voting in election. What is the motto of the Supreme Court of India? And correct answer is C, where there is dharma, there is a victory. What does the legislative organ do when new laws are needed? And correct answer is B, create and passes new laws. Which level of government deal with national defense? And correct answer is C, national. What is one feature of a democratic election? And correct answer is A, elections are conducted secretly. What is the main role of the central government during a natural disaster? And correct answer is B, to supply relief on a larger scale. What does the central government manage? And correct answer is B, national defense and foreign policy. Who elect the member of Legislative Assembly MLAs in a state? And correct answer is C, the citizens of the state. What is the main function of the judiciary? And correct answer is C, to interpret and apply law. Which of the following is a right of citizens in a democracy? And correct answer is B, to participate in free and fair elections. What happens if the judiciary find a law unjust? And correct answer is C, the law can be reviewed and possibly amended. Who is responsible for law enforcement at the local level? And correct answer is B, the police. Which organ of the government make changes to existing law? And correct answer is C, legislature. In a democratic election, who decide the winner? And correct answer is C, the voter. Who manages local issues such as road, sanitation and water supply? And correct answer is B, local government. What is the role of the central government during a flood affecting many states? And correct answer is B, provide large-scale relief and aid. Who elect the Prime Minister of India? And correct answer is B, Member of Parliament. What does separation of power help prevent? And correct answer is A, misuse of power by one branch of government. What does the word Kartuz mean in democracy? And correct answer is B, power or rule. How are Member of Parliament MPs selected? And correct answer is B, through elections by citizen. Which level of government is responsible for national security? And correct answer is C, central. Thanks for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Thank you.